Hey guys, how are you all? Hope you all are doing great. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how I create this very beautiful minimal everyday look, and I just love how it turned out. So yes, don't forget to watch the video till end. Now without any further delay, let's begin with the intro. Makeup minimalist, but someday I feel like I would like to make little bit effort and try and do something little more. So I'm gonna show you how I do my base when I am off on a crazy day like today. And guess what? You get to come along too. I love Maybelline products because they are so easy to use and carry with you. So yeah, let's get started. Going in with the Fit Me foundation to begin with. So I'm in the shade 310 Sun Beige, and I love the fact that this bottle comes with a pump, so it is very easy to dispense the product. I have always used the tube because it is great to start with and easy to carry. I take 2 pumps for my face and neck and dab them all over my face and gently blend them with the help of a makeup blender. It is a new SPF 22 and clay formula, so you can wear it every day easily and do not drag the product into your face. Just gently dab it all over, just like this. As you can already see, it has a very natural finish on the skin and a mattifying texture. And of course, if you want, you can build another layer to give more coverage. It is lightweight and does not clog your pores, and you can wear it in humid monsoons as well. The clay formula keeps the oil under control. So for the next step, I am going to use this Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I love this concealer to hide my blemishes and redness, so I just take a few dots in the places where I need second skin like look. And as you can see, I am applying it on my dark circles and dark spots. It's an oil-free formula and it is very lightweight and conceals all types of redness, blemishes and pigmentation. By the way, I am using this concealer in the shade 30 Honey, and as you can see, I am blending this concealer with the help of a brush. If you want, you can also use a beauty blender instead of a brush. And as you can see, it is blending really nicely. I am really loving the coverage and just little bit of it, and look at the finish. The finish is actually really good. And here is my finished base makeup. It is available in a variety of shades for all the skin tones and skin types. And after this, I am going to use a lipstick, mascara and blush, and I am ready for the day. As you can see, this is the final look, and honestly, I am loving this look. What do you think, guys? This look lasts all day long and I have had no need for a touch-up of any kind. I truly love Maybelline's Fit Me range because it fits me as I am. And to be very honest, this routine is super easy and it only took me around 5 to 10 minutes to complete the whole process, and I just have added blush, mascara and lipstick, and this is done. Trust me, this routine is just perfect for every day. And the best part is it does not need any touch up as well, which is amazing. And I just love how my base turned out, and I follow this routine every day. And this routine is really easy to use and it can fit anyone's lifestyle. That's why #FitMeAsIam. So in this complete range you will get 4 products. Interested to try this whole range, then you can definitely check out the description box. I will leave a link to buy all the products in the description box, so yes, don't forget to check it out. that is all for today's video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and comment down below your thoughts and opinion. And if you want to ask anything about this range, then you can ask me definitely in the comment section. I will definitely help you out. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to hit the bell notification just next to the subscribe button, so that whenever I will post a video, you will get notified. So yeah, that's it. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.